Guys, why did the chicken cross the road?
Because it's a faggot.
Zamknij dupsko.
Sorry guys, one at a time. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why did zamknij ryj?
Because he's a faggot.
Time. Why did the chicken cross the fucking road?
What?
To get to the other nigger.
Give us the reason.
Guys, why did the chicken cross the road?
Fuck up, don't say it.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Okay, I
Muted.
Because of AVP.
Okay. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Because he retarded.
Because it was a shit joke.
Cause it were a fucked up rabbit with no ears.
What he said.
Kappa.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Kappa 1, 2, 3.
Not a tricking bruv, it's a fucked up rabbit with no ears.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
To get on the other side.
It wasn't a chicken
Because
bruv,
the
it was a
wings.
fucked up rabbit with no ears.